Every second, your body produces 2 million new blood cells, each one crucial for your survival. This all-important substance is a complex mix of cells and chemicals that keep us alive. In the animal kingdom, blood comes in various colors and compositions. Some species have green or blue blood, while others, like certain worms, don't need blood at all. But for humans, this red liquid is vital. So this is everything you need to know about your blood in under 5 minutes. Blood is a fascinating substance that flows through nearly every part of our bodies, carrying oxygen, nutrients, and hormones that keep us functioning. It also regulates body temperature and collects waste products, which are then filtered out by our organs. But what exactly is blood made of? Blood isn't just one uniform liquid. It's composed of several parts that become visible when blood sits outside the body or is spun in a centrifuge. The main components are plasma, white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. Plasma makes up about 55% of your blood's volume and is mostly water, but it also contains proteins, hormones, and waste products. This pale yellow fluid serves as the transport medium for everything else in your blood. White blood cells are part of your immune system, floating in the bloodstream ready to attack and destroy invaders like bacteria or viruses. They're also crucial in responding to injuries. Platelets and plasma work together to stop bleeding by forming clots. Platelets are tiny cell fragments that rush to the site of any injury and stick together to seal the wound, while plasma provides the proteins necessary for the clotting process. Red blood cells are perhaps the most famous component, giving blood its distinctive red color. These cells contain hemoglobin, an iron-rich protein that binds to oxygen in your lungs and carries it to tissues throughout your body. Without red blood cells, your organs and tissues would quickly run out of oxygen and fail. But blood isn't just about these basic components. Researchers have identified over 4,200 chemicals in blood known as metabolites. These chemicals come from various processes in your body and give doctors a detailed look at your overall health. Now that we know what blood is made of, how does your body produce it every second of your life? Mature red blood cells don't have nuclei, which means they can't reproduce on their own. Instead, they rely on hematopoietic stem cells, primitive cells found in your bone marrow. These stem cells are like factories, constantly producing new platelets, red blood cells, and white blood cells. Inside your bones, particularly the marrow of larger bones like the femur and pelvis, these stem cells divide and mature into various types of blood cells. Once fully formed, the new blood cells enter the bloodstream through small blood vessels called capillaries. In adults, bone marrow produces all your red blood cells and platelets, while organs like the spleen and lymph nodes also assist in producing and managing white blood cells. These organs also help maintain the quality of your blood by filtering out old or damaged cells. So we know what blood is made of and how it's produced, but there's still one more piece of the puzzle: blood types. What determines your blood type and why does it matter, especially in medical situations like transfusions? Red blood cells are covered in molecules called antigens, which act like ID tags for your immune system. In humans, there are two main blood group systems, the ABO group and the RH group. The ABO blood group system is based on the presence of A and or B antigens on your red blood cells. Depending on which antigens you have, your blood type can be A, B, AB, or O. The RH blood group system is based on whether your blood cells have a specific antigen known as the RH factor. If you have it, you're Rh positive. If not, you're Rh negative. These two systems combine to create the 8 most common blood types: A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, and O negative. Understanding blood types is critical for safe transfusions. If you receive blood with antigens that don't match your own, your immune system will attack the foreign cells, which can lead to serious complications, including kidney failure or even death. Knowing your blood type isn't just a fun fact. It's crucial information that can save your life in an emergency. Ongoing research into how blood works at the cellular level is leading to new treatments and therapies for everything from blood disorders to cancer. If you found this video insightful, consider subscribing to our channel for more knowledge like this.